We walk through fire, through silent cries, under broken and heavy skies. But even in darkness, something survived, a spark that refused to die. Through every tear, through every scar, we learn the truth of who we are. Not just the past, not just the pain, but a people who rise again. We carry the memory, but we choose the future. Renew us, renew us from the unite us, turn the darkness into bright. Renew us, renew us. Let the world see who we are, from the pain, from the scars, who we become. The drums still beat, the stories live in every breath, in all we give. We are the voices that remain, and we will not fade again. Hands together, heart we're by step, a future built on love, not death. We rise as one, we stand as strong.